Hey everyone, if you want to split, merge, rotate, or organize PDF files for free, PDFsam Basic is a great option. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to install PDFsam Basic on your computer step by step. First, open your web browser and visit the official PDFsam website. Once you're there, navigate to the PDFsam Basic download page. Next, choose the installer that matches your operating system. Yeah, whether you're using Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, make sure you download the correct version for your device. After the download finishes, locate the installer file and double-click it to begin the installation process. If a security prompt appears, click *** yes * or allow * to continue. Now follow the installation wizard. Read the license agreement, accept the terms if you agree, choose your installation location if needed, and click Next * until you reach the Install button. Click Install and wait for the setup to finish. This may take a few moments depending on your computer's performance. Once the installation is complete, click * Finish * to close the installer. You can then launch PDFsam Basic from your desktop, Start menu, or Applications folder. When the program opens, you'll be ready to start merging, splitting, rotating, or extracting pages from your PDF files using the available tools. And that's it. Now you know how to install PDFsam Basic on your computer. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching.